destabilize this country. We are saying the same offense cannot become committed. It's one of offense the life of Sunday committed. Because Sunday showed remorsefulness. He showed remorsefulness. He did all he needed to do to get freedom. But till tomorrow, Nnamdi Kanu remains very stagnant. He remains adamant. He remains stubborn towards ensuring that he continues to establish this country. That's why we are saying no. Nigerians must speak in one voice. We must speak together in unity, and things must prevail. Don't fear until the trial will turn the speech into proper conclusion. Thank you very much. God bless Nigeria. Thank you.